Have you ever wondered how rich sea salt is made? Let me show you how I turn simple sea water into pure homemade salt. I started my journey by heading to the seaside, where I collected fresh, clean sea water straight from nature. Once I got home, I strained it carefully through a cheesecloth to remove any sand or impurities. Then pour the clean water into my cooking pot. Next, I placed the pot on my stove top and began to cook it slowly. As the water heated up and started to evaporate, I noticed tiny salt crystal begins to form along the sides of the pot. That is when the magic really started. I kept cooking, and with more evaporation, even more salt appeared around the edges. Bit by bit, the water level dropped, and the mixture became thicker and thicker. Once it reached a paste-like consistency, I stirred gently to help the salt form evenly. At this stage, I transfer the salty paste into a baking tray lined with parchment paper and place it in the oven. This final drying step helps remove any remaining moisture, leaving behind beautiful dry salt crystal. After cooling, I added the dry salt to a food processor and paused it a few times until I got the perfect fine texture. Finally, I store my fresh homemade sea salt in an airtight container, ready to season any dish with pure natural goodness. And that is it. From seed to stove to jar. Making salt at home is easier than you think, and the result is something truly special. If you find this truly helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.